So whenever I study, I'll start my week off by like doing a lot of my pre-work that the school gives us. So I'll go through all of that, which is like a bunch of different quizzes, going through all the PowerPoint slides, and that's kind of like my first pass on all the information, just seeing it first time. When class time comes around, I download all the PowerPoints and I kind of like annotate with any extra little notes that may help me, or I'll put like a mnemonic on the notes or whatnot, or a little anything that'll help me, like a flow chart or something like that on those slides. Um, and then like later in the day, I'll get home, I'll review those slides one last time. I'll do some practice questions. We'd have like two sections per day, 2 to 3 sections per day. So like we had glycolysis one day, and then we also had pyruvate. And so I'd start off with glycolysis, do about 20 to 40 questions depending on the time frame I was in. Then I would go into some Anki cards, do all those Anki cards, or do as many Anki cards as I could in a lot of time frame. If I didn't finish a certain amount of cards in time frame, like let's say I had like 100 cards left, but I already did 300 or so, I do a hard cutoff. Then I'd review all those practice questions from before. Then I do like another set of practice questions. So if I did 20 beforehand, I'll do like another 20 afterwards, or 5, 10, whatever it is, just to make sure that I'm actually retaining what I'm doing. And then I jump into like the next set of things. So like pyruvate, I jump into that, do the same process over again. I do the practice questions, then I do the Anki, then I review those first set of practice questions, and then I do another set of practice questions right afterwards. And that's basically how I study. That's what helps me the most. On weekends, I try to do like a brain dump of all of our learning objectives that are given to us. So that's kind of how I study, and that's really what helps me the most, helps me retain all the information.